Hi, I'm Tyler with T&K Offroad and Overland. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the skin to the soft top or soft doors on a Jeep TJ. So I have the factory soft top TJ doors. They're all old. Plastic's hard to see through. Zippers don't work very well. So I got some new ones, some new softs on OfferUp or one of those pages, and I got two of them for 80 bucks. So I was looking at the factory ones, and there's no way to get the metal frame out without cutting on here. So get a knife or get something to cut these threads. Just gonna go around and cut all the old stuff off. Just keep going around. Cuts off pretty easy. Well, I guess it doesn't matter how you cut this off. You can cut it off any way you want. You're just going to throw this guy away. There's no saving it. If you're already replacing it, there's a reason why you're replacing it. Oops, should have cut that one a little better. Alright, so there you have it cut all the way around. It's still not going to be very easy to get off. So on the back, just take your knife and cut that guy. And then go on the front. And you're going to cut this piece right here in the front corner. Let's get that cut. And then from there it should just come right off. Now you have to do a little more cutting. There's a piece of flat metal welded on the bottom of these guys. There it is. So you put your knife away so you don't cut yourself or anything else. Just continue to take the old skin off. Alright, there is old skin off, and then your metal frame. Alright, let me grab the new soft window. Alright, here is the new one. These are going to be a Smittybilt product. On the back, all they attach with is Velcro. This is a nice product. The zippers work well. Velcro's nice. And before you start this project, you're going to want to take these guys, throw them out in the sun, so you can manipulate them easier. I already tried it when it was cold and it was very difficult, so I left it in the sun and it became easier. So I start off at the bottom. I take this corner piece right here, or the front, you're going to shove it in. Alright, you can put him in the corner. And then I go to the other side in the back. What I do is I pick up a little bit and do this Velcro, slide it in as much as I can, and then you start your tugging and pulling on it. And you go back and put all the rest of the bottom in. Alright. Continue to undo all the Velcro. Get to this corner. Slide it on. Alright, that guy's on. And you go to the last corner. This will be the hardest corner to do. It's going to take some strength to get it over this bar. You should go back, make sure all your corners are in. So you have as much room to work with as you can. Just try to stretch it around. Alright, so it's not going on as easy as I want it to. I'm just going to throw it back out in the sun, let it heat up some more, and then we'll try it again. Alright, so I got it all on now. So with it all on, I'm just going to go on here, adjust it on the back side, push all of the Velcro down. And that's done. That is how you put a new soft window on your half door Jeep.